Yeah. You like your hair?
Yes.
Don't you like? Hey guys, good morning. Good morning everyone. How you guys doing today? Hope you are doing good. Thank you so much everyone for stopping by. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome to Sharewithlove TV. It's another new day, it's another brand new day. We just want to thank Almighty God for letting us to see this wonderful day, for waking us from bed this morning. I am so grateful, and also I know you are grateful too to be alive this morning. Okay guys, it's morning right now, and I want to make Akara for my kids. Okay, today's Monday anyway. Today's Monday, and yeah, it's holiday. Okay, they didn't go to school today, and I just want to make them something yummy for breakfast for them. Okay, I've already washed my beans. Okay, let me show you guys the beans. I've already washed the beans. Then okay guys, this is the beans. I've already washed the beans. Then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to blend it and I'll make Akara for the children. Okay, let me take you guys along as I make Akara. Let's eat Akara, guys.
Yeah. It's JSB on the swan again. I wish people know who go make up for life. Now those people they for just they call their friend. I wish that people know who go make up for life. Now those people they for just they call their friends. I thank God say nobody knows tomorrow. A minute can change a man. Don't criticize nobody at all. They break everywhere, but that's how the storyline is. My brother know they do the talk. Oluwa still they answer prayer. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody. A minute can change a man. A minute can change a man. That's so easy. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody. A minute can change a man. A minute can change a man. That's so the matter. Every day back then when I stayed there for Uselu. If I just they walk on my own, people go just they criticize me. They say my GCT, they say my silly passy don't nearly die. They give me different type of name when it no be my own. All my friends, all of them come begin run away. Just because I say I don't get money, nobody want near me again. Fine guess they dodge me like say na bullet. But today, see, nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody, a minute can change a man. A minute can change a man. That's so easy. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody, a minute can change a man. A minute can change a man. That's all the matter be. See today I dey drive in my phantom, they just they shout. I hope I full level the people begin just to scream. I build my house, I marry my wife, they see the shadow. They say they no believe, say now that boy be this again. JSB for Muselu don't turn to big man. Now waiting all of them they talk now. Now waiting they jam. I wanna bust in the street with my car now. Them just they alarm my name. See friends, oh. People will not like me before they always they call my phone now. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Yeah. It's JSB on the swan again. Oh. Nobody knows tomorrow. I wish people know who go make up for life. Go make up for this. Now those people they for just they call their friend. I wish say people know who go make up for life. Oh. Now those people they for just they call their friends. I thank God say nobody knows tomorrow. A minute can change a man. Don't criticize nobody at all. They break everywhere but now so the storyline it be. My brother know they do the talk. Oluwa still they answer prayer. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody. A minute can change a man. A minute can change a man. That's so easy. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody. A minute can change a man. A minute can change a man. That's so the matter. Every day back then when I stayed there for Uselu. If I just walk on my home, people go just criticize. They say my GCT, they say my slippers, it don't nearly fine. They give me different type of name when it no be my own. All my friends, all of them come begin run away. Just because I say I don't get money, nobody want near me again. Fine guess they dodge me like say na bullet. But today, nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody. A minute can change a man. A minute can change a man. That's all it is. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody. A minute can change a man. A minute can change a man. That's all the matter be. See today I dey drive in my phantom, they just they shout. I hope I full level the people begin just to scream. I build my house, I marry my wife, they see the shadow. They say they no believe, say now that boy be this again. JSP from Muselu don't turn to big man. Now waiting all of them they talk now. Now waiting they jama. And when I bust in the street with my car, then just they alarm my name. See friends, oh. People will not like me before, they always they call my phone now. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. It's JSB on the swan again. Oh. Nobody knows tomorrow. I wish people know who go make up for life. Go make up for this. Now those people they for just they call their friend. I wish say people know who go make up for life. Oh. Now those people they for just they call their friends. I thank God say nobody knows tomorrow. A minute can change a man. Don't criticize nobody at all. They break everywhere but now so the storyline it be. My brother know they do the.
Okay guys, Akara and Akamu is ready, okay? Breakfast is ready. As you can see, breakfast is ready, Akara and Akamu. I'm gonna be adding some agege bread too. We have agege bread. I'm gonna use agege bread to eat mine also, okay? Okay guys, as you can see, breakfast is ready. Let's eat right now. We're gonna eat breakfast then and later in the day, after we finish eating breakfast, I'm gonna be making Abigail and Alessia. Last night I watched Alessia hair. Then I use what is it called? Braiding hair, extension hair to thread it up so that it will stretch the hair. But later in the day, I'm going to make her hair because tomorrow is school. She want me to make her hair. Also, I'm going to make Abigail hair. I have 2 girls to make her hair. If you let me eat breakfast, then I'll see you guys when I'm done eating breakfast, okay?
See today, I did driving my fat on the just the shout. I hope I full level the people begin just to scream. I build my house, I marry my wife, they see the shadow. They say they no believe, say now that boy be this again. JSP for Muselu don't turn to big man. Now waiting all of them they talk now. Now waiting they jama. And when I bust in the street with my car, them just they alarm my name. See friends, oh, see friends, oh. People will not like me before they always they call my phone now. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow.
Once I finish eating, I'll take my shower then. Start moving here.
Yeah.
Okay guys, I've started with the hair so far. This is what I've achieved so far. Then you can see it's just a twist. Then right now I want to quickly go make dinner. Okay, I want to cook rice. I've already put rice on the stove there. Let me fry some plantain, and I want me to still have stew. I just have to make rice. Okay, let me quickly make dinner, then I will continue with the hair. Okay guys, I want to fry my plantain. The rice is already cooking.
Those people there for just they call their friends. I thank God say nobody knows tomorrow.
I'm cooking basmati rice. It's almost, it doesn't take long. Okay guys, at this time, at this point, let me go continue with let's say hair, and I will come back and check my plantain. Yeah, I'm so tired guys. I'm already tired. I don't even know when I'm gonna finish this hair. And I have to do at least Abigail. I think Abigail I will just make it a bun. Maybe 2 or 3 buns for school for tomorrow. But it's getting, it's after 5 right now, after 5 in the evening. Let me go and continue guys. I'll see you guys later, okay? Okay guys, I am done braiding let's say hair. And I am tired guys. I am so exhausted and it's late. We are done, and let me show you guys the finished hair. This is the hair guys. Say hi to them. She's eating her rice. You didn't take dodo?
This dodo?
Yeah.
I know.
Stand up. Let me quickly show you to them. Stay all the way down there. Okay, turn. Wait. Okay guys, there's the finished look of the hair. Yeah. You like your hair?
Yes.
Bend it like this. Yeah. It look natural. We're not finished eating. Okay guys, let me go and eat my food. Abigail, I've already eaten. I've eaten. Oh, okay. Let me eat my food, guys. I'm tired, okay? Thank you so much everyone for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, look at the right there. That one is Eddie
He's
Akara.
going to eat it.
It's going to eat it. Eddie, you forgot to eat your Akara. Yeah, I left some for you. I kept some for you. Let's do. Okay guys, that's it for today. I'm done. I'm exhausted. I'm tired. Let me eat now. Thank you so much everyone for watching. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, put on your bell so that you will be notified anytime I post a video. I love you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. I think Abigail is in her bedroom. Yeah, Abigail is upstairs. I don't want to call her. Okay, bye everyone. Bye.